everyone, welcome back to my channel. Hope you all are doing good. A very happy new year to all of you. Hope this year brings lots of happiness for all of you. So today in this video I'm going to unbox the January edition Glamigo box, which is looking like this. So let's get into the unboxing. Before that, please make sure to subscribe to my channel and hit on the bell icon to get notified whenever I'll upload a new video for you all. If you like this video, don't forget to hit the like button and share with your friends. So let's get started. So this is the January edition Glamigo box, which is looking like this, and look how pretty this one. I'm loving the print over it. So let's see what I have got this month. You all know Glamigo is India's #1 beauty subscription box. You are getting luxurious and premium quality product every month inside a box by paying only 399 rupees for 1 month, and which is, I think, really amazing. Look at the inside part, and I'm loving the greenery inside. So inside the box, the first thing is the pamphlet, and the back side of the pamphlet there is the product details written over it. First product is this Shesha Ayurvedic hair oil. I think you must have aware of this brand Sesa, and the hair oil is much more popular, and it is a Ayurvedic hair oil. It is clinically proven and advised by doctor. It is a 100 ml bottle and it costed for 130 rupees, and you are getting a full size product. I'm so excited to try this out. I haven't tried Sesa oil yet, but have read some really good reviews and have seen in my family, some of my family members are using this, and the result is awesome. So I'm so excited to try this out. So the first product is this Sesa hair. The second product is this peel off mask. It is activated charcoal purifying peel off mask by Healthbit. It is a 50-gram product and it costed 350 rupees. I love charcoal related products like face washes, face masks, etc. I have tried this brand's face wash earlier and quite like this, and now I'm really excited to try this out, this peel off mask. Third product is this premium foundation by Bella Bhoste. It costed rupees 700 for 30 ml product, and it is a high definition foundation, and they have given me an option to choose a shade for myself, and I choose the shade 02 Barley Base, which is, I think, a good match for my skin tone. Let's see. It opens like this. It is a very travel friendly packaging and very tiny. The foundation looks like this, and I think this has thick texture, but very runny nor very thick, and I think this is the perfect match for my skin tone. I will do a full review on this foundation on my blog, and I will update the link here in the description box below. Fourth product is this luxurious body lotions from the brand Palmer. I love Palmer's skincare product. I have tried their cocoa body butter and body lotion. I have tried their body oil as well, and I'm so excited to try this. Sample size products. Each tube has 11 ml product, and it has coconut oil in it, which is again really moisturizing on skin, and there is no paraben, no mineral oil, no gluten, no sulfate, and no dyes, which is really good. That's why I like Palmer's product. They are all real natural and good for skin. Now my box is empty, and these are all the products you are getting in the January month Glamigo box. I think this month's box is worth buying, and the products are really good. I'm so excited to try out, especially the Palmer's lotion and the Bella Bhoste foundation. These two products are my fab from this month's box. So I will put a link to buy this subscription box in my description bar below. Don't forget to check out that. Hope you like this video. That's all for today. See you in the next one. Till then, take care and have a nice day.